Chintakayal 512 is the date of Excel Foundation. In this session, now we are going to discuss the topic teaching values through literature. So let us approach the topic. Before going to learn teaching values through literature, let us approach the term literature. What is literature? Literature is a word derived from the Latin word which means working with words and letters. Based on the facts, literature is two types. Those are fiction and non-fiction. Let us approach the fiction and non-fiction. What is fiction? Fiction refers to any type of literature which is created from imagination, that is called fiction. Non-fiction refers which is produced, which is written, or real incidents, facts and truth. That is called non-fiction. Right? Let us approach teaching values through literature. Teaching values through literature. Teaching values through literature. Let us see. Teaching values through literature, through prose, poetry, prose, poetry, prose, poetry, drama. In this session, now we are going to approach the poetry. What is that? Poetry. Teaching values through poetry. Let us see. What is poetry? Genre of literature. The form of songs, rhymes, poems is called poetry. Poetry is also called verse. Majority of the poetry is fiction. You have to understand like that. Poetry is the result of imagination and aesthetic sense of poets. Poetry is the oldest form type or genre of literature. Poetry is the musical, rhythmical, melodious because it has features. What are the features? Let us approach. Features of poetry, let us see. Features of poetry, let us see. What are the features? Foot, meter, figurative language, stanzas, and rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme. These are the features of poetry. What are the features of poetry? Foot, meter, figurative language, stanzas, rhyme scheme. Foot, meter, figurative language, stanzas, rhyme schemes. These are the features of poetry. Let us approach the teaching values through poetry. When students are taught patriotic poems, one can inculcate values like patriotism, sincerity, honesty. In poetry related to nature, students may develop virtues like love for nature, humanity, and religious, etc. Their belief in God may strengthen when they read about nature and life. Through words and ballads, students may be taught to respect lessons and follow them. Furthermore, students learn poetry and recite it over and over again. These values are strongly rooted in them.